But yeah, I just wanted to do a little walkthrough with you guys, show you what I got going on. So this is all the running bamboo. The runners. So this is Aria koi. Yeah, so this is the Aria koi. It's got some pretty stems on it. Makes a great screen. This is Moso. All the farmers that I've talked to says this does not grow well in California, or at least in our areas. So, and that's all the way up from San Francisco down to Paso Robles. It's difficult to grow anywhere in between there from the farmers that I've talked to. And all this is Moso. It's one of the best everywhere else. Tastes good. Has very big culms. This is solid stem. It is a runner also. And but it makes great wood. So if you want something that is super solid, grows fast, solid stem's a good one. This is a Tutsic albastrata, I believe. I have to look at the name, but also beautiful. One of my favorites. It was not doing well, just recently planted in the ground, and it's already got a nice little shoot to thank me, which is awesome, because it's pretty. This one should be great if I could keep the gophers away from it. Also known as Madake Japanese timber bamboo. This thing should be awesome. I really hope to get a good little grove of this one. Thinking about like a 30 by 30 grove of this guy would be awesome. Very strong, make some structures, cool little tiki houses. I think it'd be awesome. So this is Robert Young, also a great runner. Everybody's so afraid of runners, I know. Leave it in the comments. But very beautiful. This one was not doing well. Had been in that pot, big old pot over there for at least 5 years. I had him for 3 years before getting him in the ground. The person before that probably had him in there for another 3 years, so at least 6 years in that pot. So I'm sure it is happy to be in the ground, and I'm happy it's in the ground as well. I created these trenches. Yes, it's not gonna stop it entirely, but it's not gonna get there for another 2 years anyway. So this is a good little start. I just have the trenches for the gophers mainly right now, but at some point it will help with this spreading outside of the area that I want it. And here we have the golden bamboo. This is the golden bamboo babies. These are awesome. These will make great, also known as like a fishing pole bamboo. Aria, Phylostachys aurea. I'll go into more detail on all of these, but just showing you guys the farm. A little introduction. Happy you're here. Glad I have the time to do this. And yeah, this will spread fast. This one will probably spread like wildfire. For me, not a bad thing. I like it. Just for future references, this is where I plan to let most of the runners be. So this top half, all this, these are all runners. And I plan on making a bunch of babies out of all of these to then put into this field and make some nice, beautiful, different color type of groves. We'll make a little forest. All these are edible. Some taste better than others, of course, but they are all edible. Moso over there being the most edible and delicious. These are all the clumping bamboos. These are all clumpers. My favorite clumper is probably this old hammy eye right here. Also was in a pot for a very long time, about as long as the Robert Young that we just spoke about. So they're not normally yellow caned like this, but they are strong. Man, they're super strong. Very structural for at least our area. And this is a baby one. It already has some new shoots with new leaves. It was one heck of a ride keeping this one alive because the gophers for some reason was like, oh, it's a baby, let's get it. Yeah, gophers are mean like that. So yeah, these are the clumpers. And this is a clumping row. These are the top clumpers. I'll go over each of them, but right now, this clumping row is called Joe's Row. Got all these from Bamboo Sorcery up in Sebastopol. Joe hooked me up, had a great time talking to him, and he said these are the best ones. I'll go into more detail on that, but I do have a couple over here that I did not get from him, but those are also great. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do some watering since these guys haven't had water and they're not gonna, the timer's set for tomorrow. So I'll get some shots of me watering and we'll go from there. A little bit of hand watering is also really good. Drippers will typically hit one area, and that one area mainly just gets watered, and then you run into this spot where it only wants to kind of grow out to one side. So it's always good to do some hand watering as well. It's just a little garden tip. I hope the audio's been working. It's like, crap, I haven't even checked. It's like the whole time I could just been talking to myself. It's not bad. You know, some people enjoy talking to themselves, all right? Don't judge. Well, it's been fun, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here. Hope to see you guys again next time. Tune in. Don't be a stranger. All right. Cool beans. Cool beans.